Okay, well, not really, but I do want to talk about these incredible streakless cloths. Hey everyone, welcome back to FAQs. I'm Christopher Joyce, and today I'm the master of microfiber, and we're checking out two awesome cleaning products from Scrub Daddy, the Microfiber Cloths and the Streakless Cloths. Whether you're after a flawless shine or just need a versatile cloth for everyday cleaning, you'll want to stick around to find out which one's right for you. But before we get into the nitty-gritty about both our cloths, make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so that you're the first to know about a new video on the channel. So without further ado, let's open the Microfiber Cloths and the Streakless Cloths and break down the main purposes of these great Scrub Daddy products. So let's kick things off with the Scrub Daddy Microfiber Cloths. These ultra plush cloths usually come in a 2-pack and make cleanup a breeze. Whether you're dusting, polishing, or wiping down surfaces, these cloths trap dust and dirt, leaving surfaces perfectly clean. Use them dry to trap dust, or wet them to wipe down surfaces and soak up spills. They're super absorbent, so you can tackle messes quickly. Plus, they're durable and economical, since you can wash and reuse them over and over and over again. You might be asking, can you clean the Scrub Daddy microfiber cloth in a washing machine? The answer is yes! These cloths are machine washable. Just wash them with light colors, avoid bleach, and tumble or air dry, and then you're back at it. They're also color coded. See? Yellow or gray, which makes it easy to designate them for specific tasks. Whether it's in the kitchen, bathroom, or even for outdoor use, at Scrub Daddy, we call this color-coded cleaning. It helps reduce cross-contamination. And did I mention that they're perfect for everything from household cleaning, mopping up messes, and automotive detailing? So whether it's your kitchen, bathroom, automotive, or even personal use, these microfiber cloths are up for just about anything. Now, let's talk about the Scrub Daddy Streakless Cloths. Bam! If you're all about getting a flawless shine, these cloths will become your new best friend. They come in a 4-pack and are designed for super smooth, streak-free finish, ideal for cleaning windows, electronics, and even your appliances. These cloths are 2 times more absorbent than the leading paper towel brand, which means you'll use less and get even better results. In fact, 4 of these streakless cloths are equivalent to 50 rolls of paper towels. That's a lot of waste saved. Now you can use these cloths in 3 different ways. You can use them just dry for dust and lint, or damp, a way to wipe away dirt and grime. You just simply spray your favorite cleaner and simply wipe until dry for a spot-free finish. Or, my favorite way to use the cloth is to saturate the cloth with running water, wring it out really well until it's no longer dripping wet, just damp. This method works fantastic on windows and mirrors, and watch as the moisture evaporates right before your eyes, leaving a streak-free finish. So whether you're cleaning windows, appliances, electronics, or even cars, the streakless cloths give you that perfect shine, perfect finish every single time. They're super durable and soft, like the microfiber cloths. These are also part of a color-coded system, making it easy to keep your cleaning jobs organized. Look at this: orange, yellow, purple, and gray. So they're perfect for everything from the kitchen to the bathroom, and even your windows and mirrors. They're also machine washable, air dry flat afterward, and they're ready to go again, so you can use them over and over and over again. So, which product is right for you? If you're looking for a multi-purpose cleaning cloth with some absorbency, microfiber cloths are the way to go. Alternatively, if you want something specialized, maybe for a streak-free shine or smudge removal, I highly recommend trying the Streakless Cloths. Both are durable and versatile, making them useful tools to have on hand for cleaning all your surfaces around your home or in the car. So, which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And let us know of any other surfaces you like to use these cloths on. Once again, thanks for watching, and clean with a smile. Now, I'm really gonna go streak.
Okay.